Welcome. I'm Chris Harmon, Sylvan Freeman Professor and Chair of the University of Maryland School of Medicine, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Symposium on the Fetal Heart, an international program that brings together world experts in the evaluation of these tiny hearts. We'll guide you through methods to determine fetal heart abnormality at the earliest possible stage. We'll show you how to integrate all the aspects of fetal heart development, including physiology, the folding of these delicate structures, and the management of congenital fetal heart disease. We look forward to welcoming your questions, and we're going to present you with methods that can stand you in good stead for years to come. I'd like to introduce the course director, Dr. Shifa Turan, the head of the Fetal Heart Program at Maryland.
Thank you, Dr. Harmon, and it's a great pleasure for me to be a course director second time in the Fetal Heart International Symposium this year. The first Fetal Heart Symposium was held in 2017, aiming to bring together multidisciplinary faculty who could address managing the care of pregnancies complicated by fetal heart disease, starting from in utero period to the postnatal period. These experts delivered presentations that focus on evidence-based approach to predicting fetal heart disease risk through screening and diagnostic modalities. This year, we once again are honored to have leading experts in diverse fields joining us for the 2019 Fetal Heart International and Hands-On Learning meeting. This year, our focus will be early detection of congenital heart defects using advanced genetic and ultrasound technology. We will be demonstrating how personalized and multidisciplinary approach can help the providers and as well as the patients to handle this sensitive and essential topic. Different from other years, we will have patients as speakers to explain their experience. Once more, we will have and apply our didactic knowledge by hands-on practice. The participants will work one-to-one with patients under the supervision of expert perinatal sonographers. And once more, I'm excited to welcome two international, well-renowned experts in this field. Dr. Dario Palladini is coming from Italy. He is the leading expert on fetal echocardiography and fetal anomalies, and he is an excellent speaker in this field. Dr. Fred Ushakov is coming from UK and is the founder of the London School of Ultrasound at University College of London. He has 30 years of expertise in obstetric ultrasound, fetal medicine, and medical education. He will share his incredible, extensive imaging and video clips library with us, and we will have new insights for cardiac scanning in the first trimester period. Please join us for the 2019 Fetal Heart International Symposium and Hands-On Learning as we move forward in our quest to provide the best practice strategies for screening, diagnosing, and treatment of congenital heart disease. Thank you.